Hi guys, Tom Wilmot here. This is just a quick video to show you what one of the important elements of that Method 2 Zeelander system is all about. And in this particular case, quite shockingly, I have in TradeStation posted here a 380 tick bar chart of the eMini. And I wanted to post this one because it shows quite clearly the point I'm trying to make and want you to pay attention to as you're trading the system. Here we have, and what I have done is I've translated from MQL for the programming language for MetaTrader, translated it into TradeStation easy language. So here is our upward facing medallion. That means the 12 has crossed over the 24 EMA. Here's our T3 tilts, and I think in this case on the TradeStation account I have it set to 38 as opposed to 30 or 24. But in any event, and I don't particularly like the chandelier on TradeStation, and in any event, this is pretty good. We still have our RSI down here. Note that as we broke through here, the RSI did also move above this 45 to 55 middle band that I always put into my relative strength indicator. See, these are the settings here. It's set to 14 with 45, 55 for oversold and overbought conditions. In any event, check it out. If we put our line here, as we always do, at the top of the candle, the close of the candle, where our changeover occurred, our crossover occurred, notice that we're always going to try to wait until such time as the moving averages have bounced across. And you can get into a trade here and use this as your stop loss, but you can also wait until you get a pullback or a touch. And that really reduces the amount of risk that you have in any one particular trade. And in this case on the ES, once we had this pullback, this compression of our bands, which we talk about all the time in our trading room, this compression of the bands and then a slingshot to the north. But notice once again that we had to clear the Zeelander signal line before such time as we were really in the buy zone in this new kind of strategy. Now, if we were to talk about the crossover and the crossover also of the 24 EMA, those are two events of the three. Forget the chandelier just for the second. We would put our line here. We'll make it a little thicker. Maybe if I can make it thicker, wait, just so you can see it quite clearly. There's our green line. Here's our yellow line. Weight would be in this vicinity here. Now we've noticed this is our upwards pattern. This is definitely our confirmed buy zone. This is where we want to be. Now notice that when we have this pullback here, and this is an important point, when we have a pullback here, we're crossing down over, but we can see that it's a fake. And here's why. Because we're in a situation where our moving averages can never penetrate down in this area. Right? We're stuck. We're in a no buy, no sell area. Don't take the trade. We do not have any kind of a confirmed zone. If we look here, we see also that no matter where we put our Zeelander signal line on this particular upthrust, once again, the moving averages don't clear. It's just in congestion. It's simply consolidating, and that's why I like this new method so much in terms of adding it to my repertoire, simply because it really gives you a great confirmation of the direction of the primary trend. So I hope that helps, and I'll look forward to seeing you next time.